Hi, this is Justin with Mobility of Denver. I'm going to do a little virtual demonstration on this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan with the VMI Apex conversion. This is a brand new Dodge Grand Caravan with a brand new VMI side entry lift system. We have the VMI logo there, and you can tell it's a new building because of this skirting here. Because this car is black, it kind of all blends in nicely, so it doesn't look too assuming. When you see it out, this vehicle comes with a brand new Dodge 3-year 36 bumper-to-bumper warranty on it, as well as the 5-year 60 powertrain. So that starts the day you take possession of the vehicle. And then the VMI warranty on all the conversion components is also 3-year 36. So it matches the Dodge bumper to bumper, and that also starts the day that you take possession of the vehicle. So the way that this works here is on the key fob. I'm just going to unlock it, and then there's a separate key fob for the ramp system here. Because it's a brand new car, you got both. So we're just going to be able to open up the car door here. This is an SE model. So we're going to open up the door manual first here. You can see the ramp is sitting there. So once the door is open, you can either press the fob here, the out button. That'll make that ramp go out. If you stop pressing it, it'll stop. That way you can make it go back in if you want. Otherwise, you just press that all the way till it stops. That ramp system is going to come out. Nice wide ramp here. Tall side rails, so that way you don't have any worry of going over. You also have a switch in here that does the same thing. So you can make the ramp go in by pressing that, and as soon as you stop, it's going to stop, and then you can just make that go back out there. So it's a nice, simple, easy system. It's actually an older technology and design, so it's been well engineered. You can see the ramp system, the motor and everything sits over there on that side of the vehicle, behind the B-pillar. The vehicle has what they call max access back here. So you have the second row of seats has been removed, so that way a wheelchair passenger can sit in this middle row here or up front. This pedestal down here is removable, so the whole seat and pedestal can come out, and then a full-size power wheelchair can sit up front there, see over the dash. This is a new body style Dodge Grand Caravan, so it'll have the backup camera screen there. You have 3-zone climate, so you can turn the dials on the upper 3 to change the temperature on the left and right, and then a bottom control for the rear. We have cruise control and some controls for the vehicle schematics there. Power windows and locks. And then this little side rail here is unconverted. That's part of this cost savings. Rather than being a $30,000 conversion, this is about 18. So part of that cost savings comes from not having to modify that rail there, and then the driver's seat is still on the original floor. The original Dodge floor was here, so you can see they've lowered it a little over 10 inches there. So in order to get in and out of the vehicle on that side, you just step over that there. And then around the back, we have cargo area back here. It's a good amount of space still. Dodge actually started shipping vehicles with tire fill kits rather than spare tires. So that's what you'll see there. And then we have a set of manual straps in here. And then these seats just fold down to be flat right there. That's a common thing we get asked, how flat do the seats get folded down? That's as far down as they'll go. Once you load and unload the vehicle, put it back, you're just going to press the in button on the ramp. Fob right there. That ramp's going to fold back in. And then we're going to be able to shut the door here. And that is the Dodge Grand Caravan with the Apex conversion. Thank you.